Welcome to the new series on ROS2 navigation stack. Most probably, you might have visited the Nav2 documentation and already got confused. I have been there. That's exactly why we made this easy to follow hands-on learning for Nav2. We are planning to cover the installation and setup of Nav2 stack, simulating the turtleboard, RVs and gazebo setup, mapping, local and global cost map, transforms like TF and TF2, architecture of navigation stack, URDF, dynamic obstacle avoidance, parameter tuning, recovery behavior, map modifications, and theories and more. The course structure. In this series, we will directly dive into the hands-on practices. Then we will go to the theory part because it is the best approach in learning robotic stuff. So it will be like hands-on learning. Then from there we will be getting ideas and questions. Then we will understand the theory and we will also find answer for our questions. In this course, we will be using the openly available Turtlebot packages, latest LTS Gazebo Harmonic, and I will be using the ROS2 Jazzy version. But it should be working in any other combinations by just changing few terminal comments. If you want to have a cheat sheet of comments for any other combinations to follow along, please comment it out and I will be sharing it with you. Also, if you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to comment it out or post it on our Telegram or Discord channel. Subscribe us and stay tuned for the next videos. See you in the next video.